first up, let's take a look at how US markets ended in trade yesterday and turned out to be a soft but good session for Wall Street. So we had Dow Jones, which ended with an uptick of 0.4% in trade yesterday. It ended 166 points higher. We had S&P 500, which ended 0.4% higher in trade yesterday, and nasdaq also ended more than 0.5% higher in trade yesterday. So clearly turned out to be a good session for Wall Street. But as far as US futures are concerned this morning, they are rather mixed. We have Dow Jones futures, which is sitting with a cut of almost 0.1%, and nasdaq futures meanwhile are sitting with an uptick of 0.2% in today's trading session. Remember, several stocks were in focus in yesterday's trading session, especially tech stocks. Something like Amazon and Alphabet ended with gains of more than 1% yesterday. Tesla declined more than 2% in yesterday's trading session. And we also had a couple of other stocks from the tech sector which were in focus yesterday. Meanwhile, as far as Asian markets are concerned, they have opened in the green today. So we have Nikkei. That index is up nearly 150 points as we speak, 0.3% higher for Japanese market. That's Shanghai for you, up 0.3%. Hang Seng meanwhile is sitting with a cut of more than 0.5% in today's trading session. But Nikkei, in fact, at this point in time, is trading with some amount of gains as we speak. Meanwhile, let's also put the spotlight on the Korean market then, Kospi. That index is also up nearly 1.2% in today's trading session. So mixed signals coming in from Asian markets this morning. But as far as commodity markets are concerned, we have seen a lot of volatility of late when it comes to commodity market, and that is continuing today as well. First up, let's talk about the oil market. Brent crude is now trading at $110, $111 per barrel mark. We have WTI crude, which is at nearly $113 per barrel. There's a lot of uncertainty when it comes to the Strait of Hormuz, and that clearly continues to weigh heavy. Remember, Strait of Hormuz transports nearly 20% of global oil and gas, and that is the reason we have seen a lot of volatility of late, and that is continuing today as well. Meanwhile, as far as precious metals are concerned, let's also put the spotlight on gold and silver then. Silver is up 0.2% in trade today. It is now at that $73 per ounce mark. Gold, meanwhile, is up 0.2%. $4,660 per ounce is where gold is trading currently. So that's as far as the commodity markets are